Okay, Under the Wing 78 in progress is part 23. It is Wednesday, June 28th, 2023. I just drew X number of allegorical sea monsters, the outlines of them, including teeth, the outlines of the bodies and eyes. How many do you see? I'm going to go from left to right, starting with Miguel Hernandez on the left and Hod Ha'sharon on the right. And I will be going over each of the allegorical sea monsters with any various combo, which could be ink, pencil, colored pencil, gouache, crayons. All right. There you have it. I'm going to turn the camera this way because I'm thinking that I'm going to actually frame it with Hod Ha'sharon on the bottom and not have it framed for a rotating frame. But plenty of time to decide on that once the drawing is completely completed. All right, there you have it, to be continued.